Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya entrance exam 2022. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1. Rupees 15,000 amount to rupees 24,450 in 7 years at simple interest. The rate of interest will be. So simply we calculate it from formula. So principal, that is 15,000, amount 24,450, time, that is 7 years. So interest, that is 24,450 minus 15,000, it's become 0.549. So from formula we know that rate is I into 100 by P into T, that is 9450 into 100 by 15,000 into 7. So 0020, here 0 15 6 3 30 9. So 9% is the right answer. B is the right answer. Question number 2. Two numbers are such that their difference, their sum and their product are in the ratio 1:7:12. The product of the number is. Question number 2. Their sum be 7. So let the possible number be 1 plus 6, 2 plus 5, 3 plus 4. And their difference is 1, 3 and 4 difference is 1. So this is fulfill the condition and their product is 12. So the product of the number is 12. A is the right answer. Question number 3. The greatest number that divides 43, 91 and 183 so as to leave the same remainder in each case is. So if we divide 43 by 9 we get 7 as a remainder, and if we divide 91 by 9 we get 1 as a remainder. So the remainder is not same. After that we divide the number by 8. We divide 43 by 8, we get 3 as a remainder. 91 by 8 we get 3 as a remainder. 183 by 8 we get 7 as a remainder. So after that we divide one number by 4 we get 43, we divide by 4 we get 1 4, 3 as a remainder. After that 91 by 4 we get 3 as a remainder, and 183 by 4 3 as a remainder. When we divide all the number by 4 we get 3 as a remainder. So the required number is 4. C is the right answer. Question number 4. The missing term in the sequence 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, dash 17, 19. If we closely watch the series, here we find all are the prime numbers. So prime number after 11 is 13. So C is the right answer. Question number 5. When the price of a toy was increased by 20%, the number of toys sold was decreased by 10%. What its effect on the total sale of the shop? So simply we can calculate it from formula. So formula is A minus B minus AB by 100. So A is 20, B 10 minus 20 into 10 by 100. So 20 minus 10 minus 2, that is 8%. So A is the right answer. Question number 6. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:7. If their HCF is 4, then their LCM will be. So 6. Let the number be 5 into 4 and 7 into 4. So LCM is 5 into 7 into 4, that is 140. D is the right answer. Question number 7. A dealer marks his goods 30% above his cost price and then allow 15% discount on it. What is the cost price of an article on which he gain rupees 84? Question number 7. Let the cost price be 100. So marked price be 130 and he allow 15% discount on it. So selling price is 130 into 85 by 100, that is 110.5. So profit 110.5 minus 100, that is 10.5. If he gain rupees 10.5, then cost price of the article price be 100. If he gain rupees 1, then cost price be 100 by 10.5. If he gain rupees 84, so 84, then cost price be 100 by 10.5 into 84, eliminating point 10 to 21, 4, so 800. So A is the right answer. Question number 8. Ram donated 4% of his income to a charity and deposit 10% of the rest in a bank. If now he has rupees 8,640 left with him, then his income is. So 8. 4% he donated on charity. Therefore remain 100 minus 4, that is 96%. 10% of that, so 96 into 10%, that is 9.6% he deposited in bank. Now he has 100 minus 4 minus 9.6, that is 86.4%. So according to questions, 86.4% equal to 8,640, 1% equal to 8,640 by 86.4 and 100% equal to 640 by 86.4 into 100. 10. So answer is 10,000. So D is the right answer. Question number 9. The sum of all the digits of the number from 1 to 100 is. So the number is 1 to 100 is 100. Total 100 number. If we count all the number from 1 to 9, we get the sum 45. If we add the unit place digit of the number 10 to 19, we get 45, and if we add the 10th place number, we get 10. So we add both. In the same way, if we add the unit place number from 20 to 29, we get 45, and if we add the 10th place number from 20 to 29, we get 20. Similarly, if we add, we get 45, and here 30. From 40 to 49, we get unit place number 45, and here 40. Again, if we add all unit place number from 50 to 59, we get 45, and 10th place number from 50 to 59 is 50. So, and similarly, we add 45 and 60, we 45, 70, 45 plus 80, 45, 90, 45, 90. So we add all the 45 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 45. So 45 into 10, 400, 45 into 10, 450. And if we add all the number 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90, we get 450. In the number 100, the digit is only 1, so we add 1, we get 901. So the sum of all the digit from 1 to 100 is 901. B is the right answer. Question number 10. A general, while arranging his men who were 7,000 in number in the form of a square, found that there were 111 men left over. How many were arranged in each row? Question number 10. First we subtract 111 from 7,000. After that we calculate square root of the resulting number. So 7,000 minus 111, we get 9886. So 6889, 64, 489, 16, 3, 3, 489. So 83. So number of row is 83. A is the right answer. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.